Hello, my name is Inkiruka and you're welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this beautiful 3-part pigtails hairstyle for my baby girl Chioma. And also this accessories on the hair is a DIY. I'll be placing the link in the description box below. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Please do well to like this video and also leave me a comment. And yeah, after watching, please share to someone that it's going to be helpful for. Thank you so much as you do that, and I'll now leave you to watch the video. And if there is any other question you would like me to answer, or if there is any other tips that you share with us, kindly leave that in the comments below. Now I'm going to leave you to watch the video. Thank you so much for stopping by.